Derek Beasley's tracking this wind. Wow, it's gusty out there.
Absolutely, Jane. It's been that way all day long. A live look outside from our Rubenstein Law live cam. Not showing a whole lot going on here tonight. It looks like we're a lot quieter than we were this time last night as we were anticipating the arrival of some storms across our area. We did see a little bit of rain this morning, but the front pushed through and the winds have been gusting all day long, gusts up to 30 to 40 miles per hour throughout the day. That'll continue into tomorrow, but then we're going to be tracking some colder temperatures moving to our area, and we're actually seeing that right now. Let's take a look at those maximum wind gusts today. These are the highest wind gusts across the area that we've seen throughout the afternoon. You can see 41 mile an hour wind gust in Clewiston, and the same thing for areas around Moorhaven as well. So again, a very, very breezy afternoon across the region with those winds out of the northwest at about 30 to 35 miles per hour in gusts throughout the day, sustained about 15 to 25. Temperatures right now into the 40s and 50s, currently 48 degrees in Clewiston and Moorhaven, 56 for the Page Field. In the Cape, we're about 58 degrees. 61 right now, the warm spot at Marco Island. And notice that the highest gusts are still near the coast. A little bit farther inland, wind's not quite as bad, but still pretty gusty. Page Field recording a wind gust at about 25. Showed this to you earlier. There is a wind chill advisory tonight for Glades County. Temperatures falling into the 50s and 40s here for tonight, but wind chills with the winds as high as they are, we could see some wind chills dropping into the upper 30s for places like Moorhaven, into portions of down into portions of Hendry County, so in Clewiston as well. So temperatures overnight tonight falling to around 50, highs tomorrow afternoon only reaching around 60 degrees. And again, the winds are going to continue gusty throughout the day tomorrow and staying up even into tomorrow night. Now, one thing you're going to notice overnight and tomorrow morning are these low clouds. You can see that gray color there on the satellite. Those are some low stratocumulus clouds that are coming in on the backside of that cold front. And that's going to be plaguing us here for tomorrow morning, but we do expect sunshine to build in through the afternoon. By the way, for our friends off in the Northeast, they've been getting hammered by this nor'easter. Some areas are likely going to pick up 2 feet, maybe even more than that, with some of these heavy snow bands that continue to lift off towards the north. And it's on the backside of that system is the reason why we're seeing such windy conditions across our area. So forecast wind gusts continue in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range tomorrow out of the northwest. Those winds should subside some, though, as we go into tomorrow night and into the day Wednesday. So mostly cloudy, breezy, and chilly tonight. 48 the overnight low. Tuesday, mostly sunny by afternoon. I do expect some clouds in the morning. 62 looks like can be your high temperature. That's about all we're going to do here for tomorrow in the temperature department. Small craft advisory remains in effect. Seas running 6 to 8 feet with a northwest wind at 20 to 25 knots. Here's your 7-day forecast. And Groundhog Day, by the way, tomorrow, and Ground Owl Day here, of course, with the burrowing owl being our resident friend here in Southwest Florida. Looks like likely going to be seeing its shadow, although that's really not a bad thing for us, as we're going to see, 6 to 8 more weeks of winter, which means more nice weather for us. But you can see the temperatures are staying chilly here over the next few days. Coldest morning is likely going to be on Wednesday morning, and then we'll see a warm up here towards the end of the week. Next chance for rain, though, arriving looks like by the weekend. Guys?